This is Suman from Fronius, India. Today we are in CODISSIA INTEC 2026. Fronius is an 80 years old organization, and then we are manufacturing in Austria. We are in welding, and then we are in solar energy, and then we are in perfect charging. Today we are in Kavin Inc stall. Here we are having our Fortis power source, Fronius Fortis power source. It's integrated with that FANUC Cobot. That machine possible to use for manual application. At the same time we can use with the Cobot also. Here we are having two variant. One is compact, another one is split version. Compact also we are having up to 500 amps. Same, it's applicable for that split version also. Wherever we are having smaller job, that job we can use that compact version. Wherever you need to move that wire feeder, that area it's possible to use that split version also. After that we are having TPSI series power source. That power source we are having 270 amps to up to 600 amps. Wherever we need to deposit more material, that areas we can use 600 amps power source. It's possible to use up to 2.4 mm filler wire. We are having Solution and Skill Center Coimbatore also. That center located in the Karpagam Institute of Technology. In that Solution and Skill Center, we are having one robotic station, Cobot welding station, and then 6 manual welding booths also there. At the same time, we are having the training facility, and then we are having that service facility also available. If you have any component need to weld in our technology center, please contact us, and then we are available all time. Thank you.
Thank you.